if lento ingayenzeka kimi, I can promise you it's happening to a lot more people every single day. And the problem is, we only speak about these things when it's already too late. And yabona le video angifuni ukuthi ibe yiphuma mi phuma la sizwe, ngifuna le video ibe yibhasop. Be careful, vula amehlo, because people think manipulation looks evil, like it's obvious, like it's aggressive, like you'll see it coming. The first red flag is never small. And that's it, like ibala, because we'll try convince ourselves, we'll try downplay it, we'll try rationalize it, say good clampe, I'm overthinking. Babes, you're not. The first red flag, it's a preview of everything. I'm showing shortly. Trust your gut, even when it doesn't make sense, because your intuition will pick up something long before your logic can explain it. Nyakchela, I'm telling you. Like, I don't want you to feel sorry for me. I don't want pity. Situation, I am not a victim. I am someone who just experienced something, saw it for what it was, and chose to speak about it. Because if lento ingayenzeka kimi, I can promise you it's happening to a lot more people every single day. And the problem is, we only speak about these things when it's already too late. And yabona le video angifuni ukuthi ibe yiphuma mi phuma la sizwe, ngifuna le video ibe yibhasop. Be careful, vula amehlo, because people think manipulation looks evil, like it's obvious, like it's aggressive, like you'll see it coming. My babes, you won't. Sometimes manipulation is polite. Sometimes it sounds intelligent. Sometimes it sounds safe, warm. It feels, sometimes it feels like someone is just being honest. And that's where people miss it. Because you're not reacting to danger. You are adjusting to it. And that's where things start to shift without you even realizing. So the biggest thing I want to we shugule video is that the first red flag is never small. And that's it, like ibala, because we'll try convince ourselves, we'll try downplay it, we'll try rationalize it, say good clampe, I'm overthinking. Babes, you're not. The first red flag, it's a preview of everything. I'm showing shortly. So personally for me, I'm really grateful that I trusted myself enough to pause, observe, and step back, because not everyone does it. And that's how many people end up in a situation that confuses them, drains them, and slowly disconnects them from themselves. So I just want to say, be aware, be present, trust your gut, even when it doesn't make sense, because your intuition will pick up something long before your logic can explain it. Nyakchela, I'm telling you. Like, trust and stay.
Because you experience it very. Podcast last episode anathi phakathi are we one cash. There's this content creator udayisi imoto lezidayisa zisedeben, ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi halfway ka undayi ka Toyota whatsoever nje angeke ngize ngibize brand, kodwa nani ngizombona nje umuntu emfanele lento lengisho ngiqeda ukuposta indle le bengiyakhela siya ngoMay, so ngiyiposte bengithola congratulations sharp blah blah blah. After a month usubuthi lo muntu lo befuna nje lapho sekuthule khona. After a month, congratulations my crush. Nya understand, congratulations my crush for building their house. Ayimlo yangithi thank you. So bese bana lo mkhupha ukuthi njalo me comment engakho niyabona guys khona la ka TikTok khona lento yokuthi I comment uyibhale but ingaposteki kuyi in public ma comment ize ku inbox. So nalo mkhoba lo uthi my comment uza ku inbox, a comment eze ku inbox. Okay kehle. Agcine ke my good, can you please chat on WhatsApp? Imlo ya futhi ngimtshela WhatsApp anguna kakhulu ngisho njalo mangifuna ukusebenzisa number, but no problem as long as I have your number blah blah blah. And kuhle komfana mhlangeza negama la nani ngeni ngijudge something like anathi muhle nje uyabo muhle nje nalo amfana kuhle nyana Nkosi yami. Sikhulume ku WhatsApp ke bese eyangitshela ngabo July kanje I'm planning to build indlu for umama wami. Ngithi mina that's the good thing to do, blah blah blah. So sesikhuluma like I'm comfortable. Ngiyakhumbula bengekhaya ngo-October if I'm not mistaken, October November somewhere there. Ngimtshela ukuthi ngisafuna ukolungisa indaba amathali blah blah blah. You know, but acabanga ukuthi it's my time to build the house. Ayenze foundation kawo bese yenza indlu bengaka nje. Yabo ibengaka. But uyangitshela ukuthi hayi sekwenze but akangangishuthelwa. Kuthi sengizobuya ngize la eGoli ke bangani bami. Ngimtshele okay, ngithi abuza ukuthi hawu umobuyehla uzofaka ama-tiles no sling board yini. Ngithi no ngizofaka ama-tiles odwa. Le ndlela sekade la msho ama-tiles bayawafaka inyanga yonke. Ithatha isikhathi eside athi ayi alright. Shuthi ukuthi ukhona imali ye ceiling board, ikhona imali ye furnish. Just that ushawa isikhathi ukuthi kumele beqale ezandla. Hayi mase ngizokhuphuka ngekhaya ngimtshela ukuthi I wanna do ilebhayi. Like ngifuna ukulebha izinto before angithanda ukuhlala nemali ngcono ngilebha izinto bese ngibashiyela islip ekhaya bese ngizohamba ngeGoli makuthi khona abakufunayo bayothatha islip ke bese beyoyikhipha lezi zinto lezi. Wacinga umfana athi uhamba nini ngithi mina athi uhamba nini kuye store ngithi mina ngihamba Monday ngangiza la eGoli Tuesday ngithi ngizoya Monday ebuilding. Athi okay ngo Sunday letha yangifuna ivideo call I think la video call yabo 3 hours ngiyaxa uthi uthando lungaka liqhamuka bethunani uthando lungaka liqhamuka Sunday angishuthela indlu the process indlu isicebhezana nje kusesengakuthi room isicebhezana nje kusesencane I think from i-foundation vele kusafaka izitini eziwu3 isesengaka nje indlu ayikafiki nasemadolweni nje futhi I think okay sharp ngize ngisho ukuthi I push ndoda yabo uyabalisa ivideo call eyikunzima uyi-first born ekabe kunzima ukuba mdala uyabona nje manje kuthiwa kumnyama kakhulu mase yayiqama indoda ebalisa kanje bethunana khona lapha phakathi khona ngithi mina athi ngiqhubeka nje athi kuhlezi kuthiwa kumnyama kakhulu mase kuzokhana kimi kumnyama kakhulu sithandwa sami lokho kwaba mnyama nje shuthi ngize ngife kumnyama ucabanga mina ngitshona umuntu obalisa kangaka like akekho positive hey mina shuthi ngize ngife kumnyama akuyoba mnyama ngize ngibhoshe shuthi kulukunje une favorite ngcono uyanithanda nemagushi yo bethunana lokho ngithe so uzawuthini phela kumele uthi sorry ngoba uthe uyamthanda hayi ngasho ukuthi love you too sham but bese ngakabonani manje njalo ke lentenzeka singakabonani angivuke ke akuwe kusena ngibuza ukuthi asilale ngabo 11 asilala sanda sami uzokhona ukuvuka azangibuza uzohamba ngoba isikhathi ngithi hayi maybe ngabo 10 11 ngizobe sengiye build it sharp angifonele ngo10 exactly ngiphuma nje ekhaya athi ungifonele ke masuse store niyasezwana iti kanjani mase ngesestore ngiyenza lebha ngibe ngilebha vele ngikuyicall hayi sithi ngikuyicall ngisa round the store yabo sengisethilini ngiyasho ukuthi ngilebha in bese ngithi ngiyaphuma athi cela ubuyele futhi nakhona aklik ukuthi kubuyela uthi cela ubuye kodwa ufuna ungicheckela akungiklikele ukuthi sengiyothenga ifurniture sengiyothenga i-material lokwakho bebuyela base ngingaphakathi mana phela sami I wanted us to talk about something ngithi athi indlu yami ayikhuphuka sacela ungithengele osimeni Jesus kwabena kwehla ama-feelings ehle store uyabona ngisase store ngimbuza ukuthi ufuna osimeni abangaka hayi bokukhuphula indlu mina sengiyoyibonela kwi-roof bethunana ama-content ngaswitcha from i-voice call to i-video call ngambheka ngathi ngabuyisela kwi-voice call ngithi uthini athi hayi inkinga indlimile indlu kamama and mama lokho enephopho ukuthi iyakhuphuka avela aphela ama-feelings kwaphela kwasani hayi ayigcini ke lapho kuthi ngibuye ngize la eGoli hayi ngimtshela ukuthi I didn't like what you do what you did uyangisangane mina nathi ecela nane airtime uzongicela uthi wasiphathi kumele ngisuse la lendlu madoda ngiyisa phe uthuru nyoka ukuthi mama Jehova Jehova acisha ngakho uthuru mina ngakhela i-content creator hayi iphele ke indaba lapha kuthi hayi axolise January sibe right phinde ngehle futhi ngekhanga ngoDecember bese siyakhuluma ukuthi hayi kumele ngibone bra hayi ngizoza lapha eGoli usedebhena ngithi ngimtshelile hayi ngitshela mangiza lapha eGoli sharp kuthi ngikhuphuke mina ekhaya nge4 nge5 ngitext uma ngitexta ungisend okay athi ngifuna ukungibona kade awufuna ngibona hayi mina nginankinga nokukubona ngingajabulela ukukubona just that you tell uzongitshela mawuza kuphi eJuice athi ukhehla alright nge5 ngifike mina izolo nge5 angisuke ngidele i-ticket i-flight ticket ngimbuza ukuthi what's happening athi anganoma uzongitransferela nisithando sami or uzolibhuka wena on your side. Qonda ukuba ngaqonda ukuba bethunana sana lwami senenye. And there was part Brahman ay ngcono nolasizwe noma umbhekile unemali maybe ungacela amateka futhi nakhona amateka I think ebengcono usime yo usime kwakuthiwa ngakhe I'm sure noma wakhe wayofika nami job yo ay sesiphila komunye umhlaba manje hayi bethunana sengiyambuza ukuthi kahle kahle wena uyahlanya ngasho njalo phela mina wonke about me ngithi kahle kahle wena uyasangana nekhanda lakho wena athi ha kanjani sithando sami ngithi awuphilile wena ekhanda usangene wena awunangqondo la usangene uyangidakela futhi ngizokupost wathi hayi ngingangipost so I'm not going to post it but ngihlanje ngada nginikene isiminof mhlangada ngiyongena la mina ngisho igama ngiyazazi ngoba mangidakiwe
abantu ayihlalani phansi kasani phansi yewethu uAnathi is terrorizing i-gay community. uAnathi i-gay community udlala i-chess manje athi checkmate uyaba terrorize abantu mamela into yenzekayo niyakhumbula masibabendini baleso story sika Dominic no lo mntana noAnathi into nokubana uDominic uthi yena babiko relationship yava and then uAnathi wambetha and then uDominic wabhuka indawo wayibhukela uAnathi kanti uAnathi uzayaphana icherry yakhe so baqatyatha ilobisi yoba uDominic ubhuke iAirbnb kanti lo uzayaphana icherry yakhe so uthi ke uDominic ngeapologizile bizawuphela lento uAnathi uthi ke yena into nokubana zange sijole kwa ujolo lo mjolo sengqondweni apha kuStototo lo mjolo ulapha engqondweni because mina naye zange sabana kuyi relationship you understand. Hayi ke fine bandase sithi sajongeleyo uAnathi ephika kwathi nayi yikudu uStototo waza ne receipts ke ngoku proving into ubani bebejola. I think there was a voice note from Instagram and then kwakho ke what is comparison ke ngoku ne pictures ku profile ka Anathi na ku profile yakhe nyani ke abantu baza nayo iproof into lokubana there was a time beye ku game wathi bekhwele i-quad bikes yeah up so while this is blowing up uLasizwe is looking at some hayi man Anathi wamjolona ithini into xa esithi ngqondo fika bandase ngoku kuyiwe pha weza quad bikes ulomntana yibirthday kaLasizwe phofu uthi uLasizwe into nokubana yena ngebirthday kaAnathi wenzela uAnathi something nice yabaza abantu ba romantic badikayo benhlenje benza izinto ezinice ke wamenzela something nice uAnathi wabona ba hayi umhlaba uyehlela bavuka ububhayi kaAnathi uAnathi wacela nedeki ke ngoba ngicela unithengele le teki xa sisiya eDubai ndinxele xa sisiya eDubai yandase ndinxelela ngoAnathi mina wabecela izinto bandase uphathe ucela umsebenzi uphathe ucela iplatform uphathe ucela igigi like ungumuntu ocelayo ungumuntu wapho ngoyiki ucela lanto yaseBhayi uba umuntu agoyika ucela phofu namacherry ke Bhayi namacherry Bhayi awuyiki ucela like into yaseBhayi lanto into ke abantu asephambanisa uLasizwe into nokubana hey nami ndiphantse ndayi-victim yalomuntu yava ndiphantse nami ndayi-victim yalomuntu kwathini but let's analyze the situation sibone uba yintoni ayenze wrong apha uAnathi. Obviously yokuqala abantu zeza allegations zoba uAnathi bebethi Stototo leyo yona fanele ngabe uyabanjwa yava but guys there is absolutely nothing wrong with what he did because uAnathi uDMile iStototo sa responda yava uAnathi waplita iStototo savuma same thing kuLasizwe uDMile Lasizwe wa responda Anathi waplita kodwa kwayiwa ku WhatsApp that means uAnathi good good apha kwi-DM nalapha ekuplitweni ithi xa i-conversation ifika ku-WhatsApp kude kucoba kubizwana baby and ke ngoku uAnathi mhlawumbi yena imotive yakhe nyhani kwasekuqaleni ibikuba you know what, I'm gonna DM all these guys and into endiyifunayo mna yile. Akhona amantombazana ayenzayo loo nto, akhona amantombazana ayenzayo loo nto into nokubana mna I'm on Instagram for abafana banemali, yava. So there's nothing wrong with doing that. Wena Anathi ungaba ku-Instagram for i-gays ezinemali, it's okay, it's your life guys. Bubomi bakhe mabakaphile the way afuna ukuphila ngakhona. The only thing wrong Anathi ayenzile kubetha umuntu nokuchithela umuntu, but last is wena akachithelwanga. Yes, uthetha into yokubana ulomntana Anathi was involved with his daughter at the same time he was talking to me. Nina beniyi-talking stage bantasi, la relationship leya ibi-advanced bikwa-advanced stage, nina beniseku-talking stage. So akufananwa, ungafanisi relationship yakho no-Anathi ne-relationship yakho nosidododo azifani. Wena usidododo already besebheja full blown umbhejo, wena wabuseku-talking stage yombhejo. Wena ubungekazithengi needeki zaseDubai, so ndaze ubungekazitransfera neemali ezinkulu ezi usidododo bezitransfera. So wena sit down mntasi, sit down. Umuntu ohead apha sisidododo because uyarealize into yokuba andidlaliwe hayi nje kancinci, ndidlaliwe nje kancinci. But ke to uAnathi I still say awenzanga nto rongo. In fact thina siyayazi into yobana yi-MO yaseBhayi loyo nto, so awenzanga nto rongo wethu.
Ibethuna le nto yaseBhayi is serious. Like, I didn't think it is this serious. Like, I always thought people were over-exaggerating about how amadoda aseBhayi or incuvist. Like, this is a national incuvist, basically. Like, this is a national crisis that we are in. Because lo Anathi Ndini on a type, like, on a target, actually. You have to be queer, you have to have celebrity status, like he has all it down to a T. Dominic, how did you let this happen? Cause like I was looking at the screenshots. Lomntu uyayibika imali. When I read that this lady is straight, what business does he have with queer men? Mali, oh mali sisona sana. Because what do you mean? The money that oyifumanayo wena uyilahlela kwi-girlfriend yakho. What are we doing here? Senzani ntoni apha?